Today I'm standing out front of Tri Pointe Homes at Madera. I'm in the Orchard series, Orchard at Madera, which here they're featuring two models. They have the Pummelo model and the Wildberry model. First, we're going to take a look at the Pummelo model, which sells with a 2,632 square foot floor plan, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 baths, 3 or 4 bay car garage. There's lots of options inside of here. Right now, these currently have a base price at $616,000. There's also a couple specs available for this floor plan right now. They got about 5 lots left here inside of Orchard at Madera, and then they have about 6 spec homes. Currently, their incentives are about $15,000. So let's go ahead and take a walk through this Pummelo model and see what we got to work with. Okay, as we come into this Pummelo floor plan, remember that the model homes are heavily upgraded, and we come right into it. We can see right by the front door that this one is not going to be any different. So as we walk right in, front door brings us into the living room area here, where we have a nice four bay window sliding door upgrade. You'll notice inside of the kitchen, heavily upgraded. The countertops will go all the way to the end there of that extended nook dining area. You'll see in the model here, heavily upgraded quartz countertops, upgraded cabinets, upgraded appliances, window shutters over there. Taking a look at the dining area, which also has its own sliding glass window. This floor plan offers high ceilings, look like 10-foot ceilings. And let's go take a look at the master bedroom. Nice size master bedroom. Surround sound built into this model home. Dual sink bathroom with a separate tub and walk-in shower. Decent sized walk-in closet here. As we come out of the master here, 2 separate wings that we can take a look at. As we go off to the left here, this is the first bedroom to the right as you come in the entryway. Guest bedroom here, which is right next to a teen room. As you come in past the teen room here, you will see the next guest bedroom. Which has the bathroom for these 2 bedrooms. Again, heavily upgraded, custom flooring, dual sink. This model here shows the luxury vinyl plank flooring. As we come back out of this wing, we're back at the front door. When you make a left from the front door, you'll have your laundry room, your utility room. This one has a built-in sink in it. This door here will go out of the garage, which is currently being used as a sales office, so we won't go that way. And this bedroom over here has its own bathroom. So again, this floor plan here, 2,632 square foot is what the base floor plan starts at. This one, per the sales agent, is a little bigger, closer to 2,700 square foot. It has some different options in it to bump that square footage up. You'll notice here in the kitchen, I didn't take you in here before, there is a nice sized pantry. You'll see the double ovens to the right, the microwave to the left. Nice sized pantry. Again, heavily upgraded backsplash countertops, gas range, farmhouse sink, upgraded lighting. Let's go ahead and take a step outside so we can take a look at the lot. Okay, as we step outside here, you'll notice that the model here is upgraded with pavers, but they have a nice big extended covered patio. The model home here has a built-in fire pit. You can get a good feel for the lot size here. The lots here at Orchard at Madera are pretty much all the same, 60 by 120, so equaling out to about 7,200 square foot lots, which is a pretty decent lot size. You can see you could fit a pool back here if you wanted to. Okay, we're gonna head back inside. Okay, as we finish up here at the Pummelo model here at Orchard at Madera, a couple things I want to remind you. Of course, when you come to these new construction communities, it's important, especially on the first time, to have your real estate agent with you. The sales agents are very nice, very helpful, but you got to remember at the end of the day, they do represent the builder. They do not represent the buyer. Therefore, they are not going to have your best interests in mind when selling you a home. So as simple as having a real estate agent with you. Most of the builders are more than willing to work with a real estate agent, and that real estate agent can fully represent you and help you get the best price, the most incentives, and all the upgrades that you're looking for. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Loyalty Home Group, brokered by eXp Realty. I'm Jason Hubbard. My phone number is 480-588-2281. Please feel free to like and subscribe so that you can get future videos here of floor plans in the area.